Today, Nithyananda TV News, Morning Satsang with Paramahamsa Nithyananda. Court orders contempt of court case in case filed by devotees of Swami Nithyananda. U.S. court grants fees paid to Nithyananda Foundation. Nithyanandam, and welcome to Nithyananda TV News for 2013 during the Purnatvaruttahu, the season of completion, leading up to Guru Purnama July 22nd. Now for today's top stories. Morning Satsang with Paramahamsa Nithyananda, and see www.innerawakening.org/enrich for your opportunity to get special blessings directly from Swamiji for attending the Inner Awakening May 2013 celebration.
From listening starts the whole spiritual life. When you are completely drowned inside your past, when your past is sitting on you as a dead weight, you will never be able to listen. Only when you want to responsibly work on your future, you start listening. Dead past never lets you listen. Past, by its very nature, does not have life, and if you try to indulge continuously in the past, it swallows the future also.
Court orders attachment of properties and vehicles of District Magistrate SP in contempt of court filed by Marnikanaka Seva Ashram trustees and devotees of Swami Nithyananda. 5th of April 2013, Varanasi. Court orders attachment of properties and vehicles of District Magistrate SP in contempt of court filed by Manikarnika Seva Ashram trustees and devotees of Swami Nithyananda. In a significant development, the Court of the Additional Civil Judge of the 2nd Senior Division ordered the attachment of the properties and vehicles of the District Magistrate, DM, and Senior Superintendent of Police, SSP, of Varanasi in a case of contempt of court filed against them by Manikarnika Seva Ashram trustees, who are devotees of Sri Nithyananda Swami and have been doing various spiritual and social service activities with the support of the ashram. The trust property has been in the possession of the trustees of Manikarnika Seva Ashram since 1945, and the trust has been conducting various social service activities in the same. In April 2010, the district and police officials took illegal possession of the property and put the board of the local police station on the same. In the opposition of the locals, the lock was removed on the 4th of November 2011. However, on the 16th of November 2011, the local police again locked the property. The Manikarnika Seva Ashram trustees filed a case against this illegal action. The Upper District Magistrate passed an order in the case giving back the possession of the property to the trust and restraining any government or political officials from interfering with the property. It also ordered the removal of the lock on the property. On the basis of this order, the trust appealed to the district magistrate to open the lock, but to no avail. In response, the trust had to file a contempt of court against the government and police officials, who did not respond to the appeal either. So the court ordered attachment of the properties and vehicles of the district magistrate, DM, Senior Superintendent of Police, SSP, and other authorities. The news is published in leading dailies, Varanasi Jagran, and other dailies. U.S. court grants motion for attorney fees to be paid by Vinay Bhardwaj to the Nithyananda Foundation in case dismissed against him. Los Angeles, California, on the April 4th, 2013, the Superior Court of the State of California, which had earlier in November 2012 dismissed the case filed by Vinay Bhardwaj on Swami Nithyananda and others, including allegations of unnatural sex, same allegation made in the case against Sri Nithyananda Swami in India, granted the motion for Vinay Bhardwaj to pay the attorney fees as well to Swami Nithyananda and others. In a short hearing for a motion for attorney's fees brought by defendants in the case of Vinay K. Bhardwaj versus Nithyananda Foundation et al., case number CIV-RS 1013793, Honorable Judge Keith Davis granted the defendant's motion in its entirety and described the motion as well taken. Judge Davis further commented that the nearly $400,000 in requested fees was reasonable and appropriate, given the prolonged litigation which consisted of numerous motions, filings, hearings, and rulings. The court had earlier in November 2012 dismissed Bhardwaj's baseless complaint with prejudice and with terminating sanctions against Bhardwaj, including, importantly, the non-cooperation of Vinay Bhardwaj with the judicial process. It is to be noted that this is the same Vinay Bhardwaj who was convicted and sentenced to 4.75 years for 4 counts of child molestation of minor in Seattle, Washington. That's all for Nithyananda TV News for now. Thank you for joining us, and let us end our news with a bliss dose from the Avatar. Integrity has no practicing period. It is straightforward. Start now. We'll see you next time on Nithyananda TV News. Nithyanandam.